Hello, Mimi.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, how are you today?
Happy.
Happy? Great. If you're happy, clap your hands. Very good. You say, I'm happy. Good job. Okay, now it's time to learn English. Ready? You say, yes. Are you ready? Yes. Okay, amazing. Now, today we are going to learn about the farm animals. Here, look at this picture. You tell me, what is that? What is it? Here, Mimi. Mimi. What is it?
Mouse.
A mouse. Very good. It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
What does a mouse say?
Me.
Right? Okay. And what animal is it? It's a...
Cat.
Oh, what does the cat say?
Meow,
Meow,
meow.
meow. Amazing. And what is it? Is it a mouse?
No.
It is a cat? No.
No.
It is a dog?
Dog.
You say? Yes.
Yes.
It's a dog.
It's a dog.
Oh, a dog. And I have a dog here. Now, you say, it's a dog.
It's a dog.
What does the dog say?
Go.
Great job. Okay, now let's put the dog to the correct picture. Where is the dog? Dog.
Dog.
Yes, you say, it's a dog. And then, what is this?
Cat.
It's a cat. What did the cat say?
Meow.
Where is the cat? It is a cat.
No.
It is a cat.
No.
Where? Where is the cat? Okay, it's a cat.
Cat.
And the last one, what is it? What is it?
Mouse.
A mouse. I think this is a mouse.
No.
Where?
There.
Here. You say it's a mouse. It's a mouse.
It's a mouse.
What does a mouse say? What does a mouse say? No, put it down. Put it down, please. What does a mouse say? Amazing. What animals do you like? Mouse. I like mouse.
A mouse.
Very good. Bye bye. Thank you.